Good morning. We are here at Nangang, Taipei, Taiwan, and it is Computex 2024. We are in front of the MSI booth. I will bring you to the booth and see what they are offering this year. Come, let's go. The first thing that I want to show you is the all-new AI monitor. It is the MEG 321 URX QD-OLED 32-inch 4K 240Hz gaming monitor. And here we have Ching, the product manager, to help explain a bit what AI is it about for this monitor.
It has two main features. First one is the AI SkySight. It means it has its own AI hardware chip inside the monitor. So we can train the AI to detect a certain information in the game. In the meantime, it won't affect PC efficiency because it's running on the monitor itself.
On the monitor itself?
Yes, that's right. So another key feature is the spectrum bar here. As we can see, there is a light underneath the monitor. So this spectrum bar will synchronize with the AI chip. Let me show you how it works. So when we open the OSD, there is an AI SkySight list we can choose from. Right now, there is a health, sharpness, or ammo. I will just choose ammo indicator to showcase how it works. Let's go back to the game. Please notice the number of ammo and also the light. When I am firing, the number will reduce. In the meantime, the length of the bar will also reduce. Like when the ammo is under 30%, the light will start flashing. When I reload, it will get full again. So as we know, when gamers are playing the game, they have so many things to do. With this spectrum bar and our AI chip, gamers only need to use their peripheral vision. So they will know, oh, right now my ammo is about to run out, or my health is pretty low, I need to heal up. So that's our main features of this monitor.
Nice, nice. Any idea when is it coming out?
It's not confirmed yet, but probably will be the end of this year or early next year.
Pricing, any idea?
It's not confirmed yet, but it's around maybe 1,700 USD.
I see,
Yep.
I see. Thank you so much, Xing, for the demo.
No problem. Thank you, guys.
And let's go have a look and see what other else that MSI has to offer. Okay, next we are going to have a look at the next gen Intel motherboard. Obviously, Intel has yet to announce the new Arrow Lake generation of processors, but MSI have already come out with the motherboard. Obviously, they also haven't have any name for it yet. This is just a preview of what is coming next. But one interesting feature that is already in this motherboard I would like to show you is a quick release for the NVMe M.2 drive. Come, let's have a look. Let me show you. Come closer. So as you can see, this is the M.2 drive. With just one flick of a finger, you can just pull out the drive and to go put it back in. Similarly, just a single slot and just press it down. And it is very secure. And obviously, it is also going to support PCIe Gen 5 M.2 as well. Last year, if you remember, we did show the first Project Zero motherboard that comes with the AM5 socket. Now this year, they have released one with the LGA 1700 that supports Intel, obviously. And for those who don't know yet, Project Zero means zero cable in front. So all the cables are at the back to go through the PC so that it looks cleaner from the front. This new Project Zero board now supports CAM2, short for Compression Attached Memory Module, and it is actually a very slim piece of memory module or RAM that is attached directly to the board, and theoretically providing a better performance, lower latency because the position is much closer to the CPU, but you're gonna lose all the RGB from the traditional RAM sticks. Next up, I'm going to show you the MSI Pro MP271 AP E2 business monitor. This is a refresh of the previous Pro MP271 monitor, but now they have upped the refresh rate from 100 to 120 Hz. It is also a built-in Full HD webcam now. MSI also highlighted that this monitor comes with the MSI PowerLink support for Intel NUT. It allows the mini PC to be powered on simultaneously as we turn on the monitor. So you don't have to double press when you're on and off and so on and so forth. This monitor is going to be available to the market sometime in Q3. Pricing is not known yet for now. Alright, the last thing that I'm going to show you today is the new, or not so new, but updated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super 16G Xpert Fusion. This is a 4080 card with a little bit of Frankenstein to it. Now comes with a liquid cool hybrid system with a somewhat AIO and a looks like a 120mm radiator, and of course with a push-pull fan configuration as well, right? So the pump is actually a pretty low profile pump to keep the card somewhat thin enough to not be even thicker than it's already supposed to be, right? And most importantly, according to MSI, this fan design is patented. And that concludes our tour for the MSI booth in Computex 2024. Let me know what you find interesting so far. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.